Hi friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious salted egg cauliflower recipe. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are cauliflower, carrot and salted egg yolk. Peel carrot and sliced. This brand of salted eggs is individually packaged, which is very convenient and hygienic. Steam salted egg for approximately 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Separate the salted egg, white, and salted egg yolk, then mash and set aside. Salted egg whites can be used in other recipes such as fried French beans. Cut cauliflower into florets, then wash and set aside. Add salt and cooking oil and water. Blanch cauliflower for approximately 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Stir-fry salted egg yolk until foaming. Add cauliflower and stir evenly to coat with salted egg. Add carrot slices and stir fry. Wow, look at the golden cauliflower. It's very simple. I didn't add any salt to this dish just so that I could enjoy the original flavor of the cauliflower and salted egg sauce. I just mixed the shredded carrots, and you can still enjoy the sweet and crunchy texture of the carrots, which is great. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah? Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.